Overthinking is not a product of your circumstances, but of your reaction to them. Once wrote, "We are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more from imagination than from reality." A Stoic does not fight their racing mind. They simply acknowledge each thought, letting it drift away like a leaf on a river. When you find yourself trapped in overthinking, use these 3 Stoic principles to find your way out. First, practice the art of indifference. Ask yourself, is this truly a catastrophe, or am I just perceiving it as one? Most of our fears are shadows, not monsters. Epictetus taught that it is not events that disturb people, but their judgments about them. Strip away the story you've attached to the problem, and you will often find nothing is left. This is the essence of Stoic philosophy in achieving mental clarity. Second, apply the premeditation of evils, or premeditatio malorum, Instead of just worrying, calmly visualize the worst-case scenario. What would you do? How would you endure it? It's by preparing for the worst, you rob it of its power to terrorize you. You realize that you are more resilient than your anxiety suggests. This is a practical self-improvement technique rooted in modern Stoicism. It builds self-discipline and an inner fortress against the unknown. Finally, focus on the present moment. Ask, will this anxiety serve me in this exact moment? The past is gone, and the future is not yet here. As Marcus Aurelius advised, your power lies in the now. Channel your energy into what you can control, right here, right now. This is one of the most effective calm mind techniques. Let go of what you cannot influence. Overthinking fades when perspective dawns. Perspective dawns when you stop battling your mind and start guiding it. A tranquil mind is not given, it is earned. One choice at a time.